In this tutorial, we are going to make changes to the project config. First, create an empty project file so that project.conf can be saved. Then run sch-rnd and load a sheet of the current project. Open the Preferences dialog. The first few tabs, except for Config Tree, show custom config nodes grouped by topic. For example, on the Colors tab, pen and screen colors can be configured. It is very important to first set the role before making any change. Role controls where any subsequent changes are saved to, in the user-level config file that affects any sch-rnd session, in the project file that affects every sheet of a given project, or in the design which affects only the current sheet. A special role is CLI, which makes the changes on the same role as the configuration specified on the command line when starting sch-rnd, affecting only the current sch-rnd session and discarded when exiting sch-rnd. For now we are going to use the project role, saving config changes to the project file. We are going to change the Beyond Drawing Area colour to something bright. This can be used as a warning or to indicate that a specific project is open. The new off-limit colour has been written into the project file. If a sheet from this project is loaded, it has a purple border colour because it's loading the config from the project file. However, starting a new sheet or loading from another project will not have the purple border. First, delete the project file so it doesn't override the user config. If a change should apply to all sch-rnd sessions, it should be done on the user role. The process is the same, just select the user role instead of the project role before making modifications. Restarting sch-rnd will have the blue border because it is now saved in the user role config file. Changes on the user role are saved in the .dir under the home directory.